You going to make me do that?
Yeah, $150.
On November 11th, 2024, police were called out to Milwaukee International Airport after a woman allegedly grabbed a phone and wallet that weren't hers, right out of another passenger's bin at the security checkpoint.
Got a passenger on video taking a wallet and the phone out of a bin. She's saying she doesn't have it at all, asking her what she did with it.
Is it this person?
Yes, yes, sir. And then she don't. And it's going to end up being that bin right there.
So that's the bin.
Yeah, when he gets the bag out of there, you'll see it gets more, a little more clear.
Did she go to a restroom anywhere?
That she
dump?
trying to find out. Just looking at camera. You kind of see that in there.
I'm just going to see if this flight's. This is the gentleman.
Hi. I'm Deputy Hartung with the Sheriff's Office. So, I just looked at some video, and it's pretty good evidence that you took this guy's cell phone. Where's the cell phone? Okay, where is it?
Because I don't have a cell phone.
Where is
My
it?
cell phone.
Where's the one that you took out of that bin that I just saw on the camera? Are you not going to answer me, or?
What you want me to say?
What do you want me to say? You're on camera. You're on camera taking a phone out of a bin, and now you say you don't have it. Where is it? Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, I just gave him all my IDs.
Do you have this lady's ID? Anyone?
No, yeah.
She has her ID.
He took my information already.
Oh no. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out where's this person's property?
Well, my thing is, why are you yelling at me? That ain't how you corrupt right. You want respect right. So if I start yelling at you, just because you have sheriff on you, you do have a sense of respect.
I'm sorry. I'm a little bit hard of hearing, and that's not really yelling. I'm just trying to make it. When someone in this situation goes through all this stuff and then they say they don't have something, it's a little frustrating, so I raise my voice up another octave, and I apologize. Where's this guy's phone?
When I walk away from the phone, I gave the phone to the whatever that lady is and whatever. I can't tell you. I don't even know this airport like that to tell you where it's at. That's why I said I can't tell you.
So who did you get the phone to?
It's in a convenience store or something like that. What I'm gonna do with his iPhone? I have an iPhone too. What I'm gonna do with his phone? All of that stuff is in one of them.
All right.
Thing. I don't have that man.
Pick up all your stuff. You're gonna go down to the jail then.
A jail?
Yeah.
I'm going to jail for what?
You just said you took the phone out of the bin. You just said you took it. You gave it to somebody else.
No, it's in a convenience.
Did you not take it away out of a bin and give it to somebody in the convenience store?
Don't you supposed to do that when you find somebody's shit?
Well, okay, when you find somebody's stuff, not when you take it out of a bin and when you're going through
Okay,
TSA.
well,
just pick your stuff
go
up.
on.
Just pick your stuff up. Are you traveling with her?
Go, P. I'm finna go. Go.
Is there any other video of this?
I'm sure the WIC can bring up some more, but
Because she says she put it in a store.
they're looking where she went. They're checking the bathroom right now.
Cause this shit's starting to be real fucking irritating. What the fuck I'm gonna do with that man phone?
Well, why would you take it out of the bin is what I'd like to know.
Here's the wallet and the phone.
Does he have his wallet or no? No. Where's the wallet?
I don't have the wire. I just told you.
Well,
I'm so agitated.
well, yeah, I mean, so is this guy that's missing his stuff. Where'd you find that?
42 on the ticket counter.
That's the wallet?
Yeah. And
What's
the case
this?
for the phone case.
Behind, how did you find it?
42 dumped behind the counter. Video her doing it.
Oh, you're David?
I'm David.
So, is this your wallet?
That is my wallet. That's my ID.
Was there any money in here?
There was about 180 bucks
Where was the money?
in the money clip.
All right, we're gonna go downstairs. Do you want? Should she be handcuffed? Do you think, or she walk?
I don't think she's cooperative if you found something else on the video.
So you on the hand cause you think I'm not gonna walk with you? Like why
Well,
would
can
I
you walk
Are
with
you-
us?
are you-
Well, I'm
Yes.
asking you.
Okay, it's a
Grab your
request.
stuff. Right now, we got the phone. The phone was at a store, like probably you said. Now we're looking for this cash that this gentleman says he's missing. So right now, this is very simple. I mean, this is the difference between getting a little municipal ticket and walking out the door or going down to jail and having to post cash bail for a misdemeanor.
If we can find it with your cooperation.
So to recap, she was caught on camera taking a passenger's phone and wallet, denied it at first, then admitted to the phone but hid the cash on her the whole time. That's not a mistake anymore. That's intent. Let's see how deputies handle it next.
The money is what I'm talking about. Then we could go an easier route. He's the lead law enforcement officer on this case, but he just told you what he's going to do. Municipal ticket. So, will you cooperating help us find that money? Or yes or no?
Yeah, what am I keep it for?
Okay, so if you have the money, or you know where it is, provide it to us.
Okay.
Where is it?
I have it.
Where?
With my money.
Okay, where's your money?
In my chest.
Okay, I'm gonna bring in a female officer, and you're gonna put it on the counter, and you know how much money you had, and you know how much money he had. Separate the two. It should equal up to the money that he's missing, without me telling you that number, and then we can go ahead and write the city.
Do you have it on you right now?
Yes.
Okay,
Can I get some water? Please.
As soon as you take the money out of the room. All right. So, my question was, when you took the phone and you took the wallet. Oh, well, I haven't finished. It's a really long out, complete question.
Okay.
And you took the money out of the wallet. What were you gonna do with the money? You're just gonna spend it like play slots or something like that? Why did you want to steal from this guy?
It wasn't intentionally stealing. Like I said, when I grabbed it from the beginning, it was a legitimate mistake. So I put the phone
I
down.
believe that. I believe it was a legitimate mistake. Yes.
And when I seen that, I didn't even realize I had a wallet because, like I said, I had a black
I
bag
also believe
and
that.
all that. So when I seen that, I did take the money like any ordinary person
And I
probably would
also
have been.
believe
And
that
it wasn't.
you didn't intend to keep the phone because you told us where it was. So I believe that too.
So-
But my thing is, even when you came down here to the office and you know that we were missing money and we were looking for money,
I didn't know y'all was looking for money at all. I didn't know that's what y'all was looking for. Y'all didn't ask me about it, but I knew I didn't say anything to you about it though. That was my bad. That was wrong for that.
I get that too. But
I was out of order for that.
that's not my thing. Is I'm not passing judgment, but it also shows intent to keep it. Like I'm in here in an interview with you, and you got the evidence concealed on you, and you're not giving it to us until I actually ask you for it. That shows a mindset of like I still want to keep this thing, and you know what I mean. That's kind of
All that money is not here. Just so you know.
Right. Well, okay. Now, So,
how much was yours?
how much is yours? You got to tell me that. I thought we were going to keep
had-
two separate piles.
No.
How much was yours?
He had 7 20s and a 10, and the rest was mine.
720. You gonna make me do that?
He had $150.
We'll see. It was somewhere between 150 and 200. That is correct. You got the ballpark. He sold us a little bit more than that, but
That's a lie.
okay. Well,
That's a lie.
well, he might not know for sure, and you might not know
No, I know for sure.
because you counted his money.
I see it. When I
Well,
seen it, it looked it, and I opened it.
And you also
it
took it.
John, obviously, John.
Okay. All right, let's go back up.
So, how much money did you have prior to this?
100, probably close to $180 some dollars or $60 some dollars.
160, you
I
say?
had $100 bill.
Right.
I had some 20s. I had some ones. I had some fives.
All right.
Keep tracking your money, because I don't know how much money I got.
So, how much did you have? Tell me how much you had. 160?
somewhere up in there. I don't know exactly the numbers.
Okay.
Well, why don't you?
When the number's zero.
I don't know what I got.
Exactly how much money I got.
In the end, she admitted to taking the passenger's phone and wallet and to trying to hide the evidence from officers.